Alright guys, today we're gonna play some Clash of Clans. We're almost at Town Hall 7 max. I'm just gonna show you right now. Yeah, this is our progress.
Irrelevant.
Yeah. So today we're just gonna do a couple of raids. You know, nothing big, just nothing special. Just some good old raids. Yeah. So we're just searching through, you know. Right, I'm just gonna bully this kid's base. I don't know why he has his walls like that. Like, are you damn? Gonna check for clan castle troops. Yep. The reason I have barbarians is to lure the clan castle troops out here, like I'm doing right now, and the dragon just to kill them, the CC troops. And then I'm just gonna place the dragon down right now. And then we can start with the initial attack. Okay, let's go. Now we're just gonna spam hogs. Alright, okay, let's go. Let's go. So, gonna bully this guy's base. We're gonna place a heal spell. Oh, that was a close one. Rage by the wizard tower. Alright, this is a pretty good raid. I mean, obviously this is like such an easy base. Now we're gonna send in a cleanup crew. Finish everything up because we don't wanna waste time and lose because of the time. So yeah. Okay. Alright, let's go. Easy dubs. I'm pretty much a bully. I'm gonna use the rage spell at the end there just because, you know, we want a fresh new army. 15 trophies. It's pretty bad. But then again, we're just trying to bully him. We got a lot of gold in the treasury, but can't collect it because it's max. And we're just gonna collect that elixir. And we're just gonna do another raid. Alright, yeah. Now we're just gonna do another raid. Checking our army. There we go. Let's go. No, this base, you know, has no loot. Literally no loot. No loot again. Yeah, no loot. He has a lot of gold, but you know we can't. Ooh, this is an easy base, and he has pretty good elixir. Right? I'm gonna check for CC troops. See, that's why you always gotta do that. No, I've had some times where the CC troops are just ruining me. It's a perfectly good raid, and then you just come in and they ruin all my attack. Now we're gonna wait for the balloon to get here. I'm gonna place the dragon. Then we're gonna spam hog riders. Dubs. Oh, the barbarian survived. Oh, okay, never mind. He just. Alright, spamming hogs right now. Yes, get the wizard tower. Gonna pop a heal spell because don't want the wizards ruining everything. Yeah. Put a rage spell by the wizard tower because he splash damage with the cleanup crew. And there we go. It's another 3-star right there, boys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna have to use this boy here. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Cleanup crew's doing good. Our guiders are just gonna finish everything off. There we go. We got another 3-star. And let's go. Easy dubs. Easy dubs. Oh, I forgot about the builder huts. I'm gonna just go here. Oh, boom. Oh. Alright. Okay. Let's go. This is like the easiest raid ever. Pretty mean. Fighting Town Hall 6. There we go. We got the last builder hut, giving us another 3-star, boys. There we go. We got the star bonus. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna trade some more.